Two ways to unfollow someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you have logged into your account. After that, click on the person you want to unfollow, which will lead you to their profile. Then, in here, you will find following. Click on it. And then at the bottom you will find unfollow option. Click on it and the person will be unfollowed. Another way what you can do is go to your profile at the bottom right, then click on your following at the top. After you have clicked on your following, you will find all your followings pop up. Simply click on three dots beside the person's name who you want to unfollow. Then click on unfollow as it is the last option, and then they will be unfollowed. These are the two ways to unfollow someone on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.